Welcome back to the channel. My Italian Tupperware bike has another leak. It's this sketchy Dipstick extension tube here that's ruffling my feathers, and we're gonna fix it. My best guess is on these early Norges, it may have been up to the dealer to either cut the access hole or install the extension tube on new bikes. And all the cool kids, of course, didn't want a hole saw taken to their Italian masterpiece. Well, they got the extension tube. What was it, $175 upsell? I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you know what the deal was on these. I hear your protests about my using a crescent wrench on this beautiful Italian motorcycle. But this is no ordinary crescent wrench. It has a caliper so I could measure the nut, and a hammer if I need to beat on it. Besides, I don't have a 26.5mm wrench. So after the sealing nut is loose, I go to pull out the dipstick and the housing slides right out. Removing the sealing nut reveals the aforementioned offending O-ring. As suspected, this cleanly sliced, otherwise new-looking O-ring installed by yours truly just last fall has failed. We'll just toss the irreplaceable Moto Guzzi part on the back of the scooter and simultaneously demonstrate my belief in Newton's first law of motion and that two motorcycles are the correct amount of motorcycles to own. The previous O-ring was 21mm diameter and had to be pushed into place. This one, 20mm. The 20mm O-ring fits better. It falls right out, and that's good. Time will tell. These old aftermarket dipstick extensions seem to be leaking all over the internet, and the Google machine says that they're unfixable and removal is generally recommended. So I do see some scratches from the top of the sealing nut here. I want to give this another try and then monitor it closely and really see what's up. Why does this leak? Having the center piece means it wants to unscrew there, which would be very, very bad. So a bit of Permatex Blue and some good force. Maybe that won't be a problem anymore. In January, the rest of Freedom Land is either under snow or wildfires. But here in Oregon's Banana Belt, it's sunny, 55 degrees, and that's riding weather. And I sure won't know if I fix it if I don't clean off this disgusting motor. Off to the car wash. Hey, do you want to know what happens when you don't read the instructions and spray degreaser on a hot motor? This does. Half a dozen miles across town to the watering hole, and it looks like my dipstick extension leak is fixed. Job well done. So where is this coming from?